This is Nokia T21, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, I have to note that in order to do that, I will use the Google Drive app. It's the choice of mine for multiple reasons. First of all, it comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to get anything from the Play Store or install any third-party tools. And well, secondly, it's just a convenient tool and does its job just fine. So let's open the Drive app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. In my case, as you can see, it requests that I enter my Google account password, just some random check. Let me do exactly that. Alrighty, so once at the app, enter the home section, then tap at the plus sign to your bottom right, choose scan option, grant Google Drive the camera access, and once the camera interface gets launched, just take whatever document you wanted to make the scan of, or a PDF document out of. So here's mine, and just take a good photo of it, as good as you can at least, since it will serve as our foundation for the PDF file that we are about to create. So take a photo, see the result, decide whether you are satisfied with the result, proceed if you are, if not, just redo the picture. So at this menu you can crop the image. So in my case, as you can see, it was automatically cropped, but well, very maliciously, so very poorly I mean. So let me frame the part of the photo that I will use as my final PDF file. So that's way better. Once you are ready to save it, just hit the respective save button. In here you can rename the document if you want to, as well as change Google account and folder that this PDF file will be saved to. Then I hit the save button, wait for the file to get uploaded to Drive. And here you have it already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.